They tell us the web is a safe place, but is it really? In this cybersecurity challenge, we'll hack into a website, into a computer, and you'll see it's called Agent T on Try Hack Me. So let's go, let's hack this machine. You'll see I already started the target machine. It is running here. It has this internet address. This is dynamic, so anytime you would try this, it's going to be a different address. So in this challenge, they say, what is the flag? So we need to find the flag is a capture the flag challenge. And something's off about the server. So let's take a look at it. We open a terminal and let's open this thing in full screen. And then we'll hack into this website. So the first tool we'll use is called nmap. So we do nmap followed by the target address. That's the website address. In this case, there is no www.something.com. There's simply an address. So we copy this address and we'll paste it in. And like you see here with the terminal, we're going to scan this website and we want to have additional information. So we add this flag. It's going to give us version numbers. So it's going to scan that target computer. We'll call the server. It's running the website and it will tell us any open ports. It's a bit like any open doors in a house. It tells us the open ports. In this case, there's one open port, port 80. You'll see HTTP. You might have seen that on the web, http something.com. And we see the version that's running. So the software that gives us the websites. Typically, that is Nginx or Apache. In this case, we see that it is PHP 8.1 dev. So might be a developer thing that is running. Now we could check this online. So if we copy this version number, see if there's any exploits for it. So we open Firefox and then we'll head over to a website called exploitsdb. It's like a large database of exploits that we can run against any website. Now, of course, only use that for legitimate purposes. Then we paste in the website. Now we have to be quick because by default it opens Try Hack Me. And we want to open the exploitsdb. And we find this on exploitsdb. You'll see here PHP 8.1 dev, user agent, remote code execution. So that's on exploit-db.com. We find an exploit. Now, if you go to the website first, you can also find it using the search bar. So if you're on exploitdb, you can search for the version that it returns. In this case, it returns PHP 8-10 dev. So if we search for that, okay, be sure to type it correctly. That's 8.1.0 dev. You'll see it will find the exploit. Now, this is going to take a moment. You'll see if we find the same exploit, if we click on it, we find the same result. So what's on this page? On this page, you have the exploit code. So if you scroll down, you see here a Python program. It's a computer programming language or scripting language. And this program, and you see it's just program code, but we can download it. This exploit is going to allow us to hack into that computer. So you see, I downloaded the program. It is now in the root folder. See if I open it. We have the program here, the .py program. And if we run this program, it is going to ask us enter the full host URL, so the website link, and immediately give us the interactive shell, so the root shell. Let's try that. So I'm going to open a new program here. Now, this program, this exploit, is implemented in Python. Python, to run Python programs, you say Python 3 or Python followed by the name of the program. In this case, 49 and so on, and we press the tab key, it autocompletes. So to run a Python program, always type Python 3 or Python in front of it. Now, if I press enter, you'll see we need to type the website link. So that's http:// followed by the website domain or the website internet address. So we copy this address, paste it in, right click paste. We have the address. Of course, you could retype this manually, but it's easier to copy and paste, at least for me. So I press enter and you'll see interactive shell is open. So this works because the software is vulnerable. This Python 8.1.0 dev, it is a vulnerable software. And with this exploit, we have directly access into it. Let's see if I do, who am I? I am the user root, the administrator of a Linux system. So I directly hack the website. In the website is of course running on a computer, and I am directly administrator on that computer, known as root on Linux. Now, because I'm root, I can do anything. I'm the administrator. So we could, for example, list the files and folders on the root folder. You see Right now we are in var www.html. On Linux systems, everything starts with a slash, and the one single slash is the highest level, and everything is like in subfolders. So let's say we do ls slash, and we find different files, but also this flag.txt. So we can do cut / flag.txt, and we find the flag right here. So we double click, then right click copy. We go here, we copy it, and then we paste it in. So because we found that nmap, with nmap we found that it was running an old version of PHP or an old software, we could exploit it. We went to exploit.db, download the program, and we immediately became administrator on the computer. Now it's not always that simple, but in this case it is, and this software is still widely used. So on the web, or things on the web are not automatically safe. A lot of people and companies run old software that can easily be exploited, where the exploit can simply be downloaded from the web and run. And that's how it is with cybersecurity. A lot of software and systems are simply insecure. That's it for this challenge.